right, so these flauta fingers are probably one of the easiest things you've ever done. It's really easy to throw together. And I have to say, they were inspired by these cool finger chilies. So I take the bottom of the finger chilies and I chop them up and I throw them in with an onion. But I split it between the two pots because we're gonna have two separate fillings.
Okay.
So to the first one, we're gonna add just a can of store-bought pumpkin.
Unsweetened, not pumpkin pie filling, just pumpkin.
And the second one's gonna be our black bean.
Nice.
To the pumpkin, I put a little chili powder.
Gotcha.
Little cinnamon.
Gotcha.
I'm gonna bring that fall sweet. And then for the beans, I'm gonna put a little ground coriander and some hot smoked paprika.
Yum.
Give those a stir. So the chicken is gonna go in the flauta as well. And I'm gonna have Grant.
A rotisserie chicken, so you don't even have to cook it. Just shred it
Grant's
up.
been pulling up.
Great.
And then I'm gonna have him add just store-bought taco sauce.
Yum.
And we're gonna mix that together. So now we're ready to build our flauta. So these are just corn tortillas that have been dipped in the oil for a little bit, so fried until they're pliable, but not for very long. So this is just our pumpkin and our bean filling that I have cooked down.
So you start all the way at one edge.
All the way at one edge.
Ready for chicken?
Ready for chicken.
I was gonna do it so you don't
Pumpkin, black bean chicken.
So we want to keep it a little skinny so it actually becomes a flauta. And then we want to roll it as tight as we can.
You like rolled them up like a little mummy.
Yeah.
You're like little mummy people.
Like a little mummy.
And then you
Cute.
got your toothpick.
And then a toothpick so we can secure it.
Here's a pepper that hasn't been in either one of our mouths or on our fingers. And then do I just fry them like this?
Yeah, and then we just drop them in the
Drop
hot
them
oil.
into the oil.